morning, friends. I am Edilesan Venkachalam. I am a special English trainer. Today, I am going to talk something about lovebirds. I have been breeding lovebirds for about 10 months now. I got these birds on January 26th, which was my birthday in this 2018. Today, I am going to feed my birds with some grains. So this white bird is a male bird. It is 3 years old, and there is another white bird that is also 3 years old. This is the youngest bird in this cage, and this is a female bird. There are two birds inside this pot. They are actually breeding. The green one is the female and the blue is the male. The green one had laid about 4 or 5 eggs. Generally only the female will be inside the pot hibernating the eggs, but this time I see that even the male bird is most of the time inside the pot. This is the youngest bird in this cage, as I told you. It is very active, but today, because of the new cameraman, I think it is feeling a bit shy. This bird is 3 years old and it is bold enough to eat from my hands. Come on, come little bit nearer. Hitava, come on. Come this side. Yeah, very good. This is a elder bird that is 3 years old, so that is it is not so afraid of me. But it can sense the cameraman moving behind me. This is the youngest bird, which is used to be very naughty, but today it is a bit afraid. Come on, don't be afraid. Come on, come on. Yes, very good. Come. Yeah, now I'm going to tell some words relating to birds. This bird sitting on this stick is called perching, and the young bird is called a chick, and it is eating, that is called as pecking. Thank you.
Okay.